Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the lock screen password on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of the tablet, open the Settings app. In Settings, tap on Security and Privacy. Then you want to tap on the toggle to the right of lock screen passcode to switch it off. You will then have to enter your current PIN or password to continue. Tap Finish. Your lock screen password or PIN is now disabled. The next time you unlock your tablet, you won't have to put in a PIN or password. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon Fire tips and tricks.